Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Oracle Linux 8.4 on VirtualBox 6.1. So Oracle Linux 8.4 is the latest update from Oracle Linux 8 series from Oracle. So first I am going to create a new virtual machine. So I am giving some name to the virtual machine. Next I am allocating memory, and next I am going to allocate around 40 GB to virtual hard drive, which is dynamically allocated virtual hard drive. So now right click settings. So here I am going to change the boot order. So optical drive is the first one to get booted, and I am selecting USB tablet. So processor core I am allocating 4 core. Next, coming to storage, I am going to browse Oracle Linux 8.4 DVD ISO file, which I already downloaded from Oracle website. So I am selecting the ISO file now, Oracle Linux 8.4 ISO file. Yes. So rest of the settings will be remain same. Network, USB, everything will be remaining same. Okay, so now let us start Oracle Linux 8.4 installation now. So I am starting the virtual machine now. So boot screen is arrived now. So select install Oracle Linux 8.4. So this is the installation screen. So select the language accordingly as per your needs. So English is my default language. Next, we come to installation summary page. So here I am selecting time and date accordingly to my time zone. Next, software selection, I am selecting server with guide. So you can select any base environment. Next, installation destination, I am selecting the allocated virtual hard drive. So under user settings, provide a root password. Next, I am going to create one new user. Yes, so everything is done now. So let us begin the installation now. Yes, so installation is started. Wait for some time. Yes, so installation is done. I am going to reboot this Oracle Linux 8.4 virtual machine. So reboot. So make sure that you select the appropriate kernel. So Oracle Linux have two Linux kernel version 5 and 4. So make sure that you have selected the appropriate Linux kernel. So because this will have a major impact on VirtualBox guest edition. So I am going to log into Oracle Linux 8.4 for first time. So welcome screen arrives here. So can adjust some settings in welcome screen and start using Oracle Linux 8.4. Now first step is I am going to adjust the screen resolution. Right click display settings. So you can see that lot of options under resolution. So select the resolution appropriately accordingly to your monitor resolution. So I can able to view the Oracle Linux 8.4 in full screen. So first thing is I am going to mount Oracle Linux 8.4 DVD ISO file. So go to devices and select the Oracle Linux 8.4 DVD ISO file. So from this DVD I am going to copy the RPM packages. So you can see that AppStream and base OS two directories will be there. So under that you can see lot of RPMs will be there. So from there I am going to copy all the dependent RPMs needed by VirtualBox Guest Edition. So these are the dependent RPMs needed by VirtualBox Guest Edition software. So I have copied already. So now I am logging as a root user in terminal. So only root user can install the RPMs. So now I am going to install the RPMs in a single shot. So these RPMs are available in Oracle Linux 8.4 DVD ISO file itself. No need to download externally from any other website. So you can just copy paste from AppStream and base OS directories. So I can able to see this two RPMs are already installed. Once again I am installing. So removing those RPMs I am installing newly. Yes, so all the dependent RPMs required for VirtualBox Guest Editions are installed successfully. So next step is I am going to eject this DVD. Yes, I am ejecting this DVD. So next I am going to insert VirtualBox Guest Edition DVD ISO. So go to devices, you can see that the last option is there. So this will insert the VirtualBox Guest Edition DVD ISO file. So I'm going to copy this VirtualBox Guest Edition software to locally to one directory. I'm creating one directory. I'm going to copy the contents here. So why I am doing this, because previously we had some permission issue while directly installing from DVD. So terminal is already open here. Yes. Let me navigate to Guest Edition. So I am giving permission to that content. Now I am going to run /vbox linux editions.run as a root user. So this will compile and install the VirtualBox Guest Edition software in Oracle Linux. So one important thing is make sure that you have selected the kernel version appropriately. So I have selected Oracle Linux kernel 4.18. So this VirtualBox guest edition software will work for kernel 4 only. So make sure that you are selected Oracle Linux kernel 4.18 to in order to get install this guest edition software. Yes, so I can able to see that VirtualBox guest edition is successfully installed on Oracle Linux 8.4. Yes, so I am going to reboot the machine. So instead of rebooting, I am power off the virtual machine because I am going to make some changes in settings. So in general, I am going to enable shared clipboard and drag and drop feature, and boot order also I am going to select hard disk as first one to get booted. So now I am starting the Oracle Linux 8.4 virtual machine. So first thing is we need to check screen resolution. So screen resolution should adjust automatically. And next we are going to check share clipboard. Yes, so first I am going to log in. Yes, so screen resolution is adjust automatically. I can able to view Oracle Linux 8.4 in full screen. So next I am going to check the shared clipboard feature. So I am going to open the terminal here. So I am going to type some command, and after that I am going to copy paste the content, that is terminal output, to Windows host machine. So let me copy the content and paste in Windows host. Yes, I can able to copy paste from Oracle Linux 8.4 virtual machine to Windows host. So now I am typing one line. So let me check whether I can able to copy paste from Windows host to Oracle Linux 8.4. Yes, so I can able to paste the content. So VirtualBox guest edition installation on Oracle Linux 8.4 is successful.